guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm going to first start with a fresh, clean face. I am using a hydrating oil to moisturize my face. I definitely recommend using an oil, either mixing it onto your foundation or applying it on your face as a moisturizer before putting your foundation. That way it helps with that glowy, wet look type of look. So I use that to moisturize my whole face, and then I use a facial spray to spray it all over my face before I apply any products on. So the first step that I do is I start off with an illuminator. You could use something like this, or you could use a liquid highlighter, something like Cover FX drops, and you just apply it basically in the areas that you want highlighted. And I'm grabbing my beauty blender. I'm also spraying that with some setting spray. So basically every step here that I do, I am using a setting spray before I blend it out with my beauty blender. Next, I'm grabbing my foundation. It's the Mercier Flawless Fusion. It has medium to full coverage. It's very lightweight, but leaves your face super hydrated and still gives you that matte look. And it looks natural. As weird as all that combination sounds, I'm using the shade 2N here, and it matches perfectly to my skin. Next, I'm using the Flawless Fusion Laura Mercier concealer. I'm absolutely obsessed with this concealer. I just started using it, and you guys, it's like lightweight, it's hydrating, it doesn't feel cakey or dry up under your eyes, but it's still full coverage. I've never had a concealer that does that. I love my Shape Tape Tarte foundation, but it's very thick and it dries up sometimes. But this one, it does the exact same thing, but it feels lightweight, it's hydrating, and it gives you that coverage that you need. So I'm just applying my concealer like usual, and then I do grab my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm only setting my concealer. I'm not doing any sorts of baking. I'm just literally setting the concealer so it doesn't move around, and I'm setting it very lightly. Next, I'm going to go ahead and contour real quickly as usual, just contouring my face and not doing any intense contouring. I'm just doing a light contour and just bronzing up my face. I also place whatever is left over around my lips to give my lips the illusion of bigger lips and contour the lips a little bit as well. So as you can see, I am dragging the contour around my face. That way it's bronzing my face at the same time. So I'm giving a slight contour and at the same time bronzing up my whole face. Grabbing the Give Me Sun bronzer by MAC, and I'm just putting that all over my neck and my shoulders and my neckline, just so it can match nicely with my face. Once I'm done with all the bronzer and all the powder, I do grab my setting spray one more time and spray that all over my face before I apply any additional highlight. Now I'm grabbing the Sleek Makeup highlighter. I love this highlighter, especially this shade right here. It's super pigmented and it's such a nice gold color. And with my beauty blender, which I also sprayed some setting spray on before I'm applying the highlighter, and put it basically in the same areas where I applied the illuminator at the very beginning. And I'm basically just packing that on till I'm happy with the way it looks. Next, I'm going in with blush. I'm grabbing this ColourPop blush called Between the Sheets, and I'm actually using a fan brush to apply this blush. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on my cheeks and then just blend it into my highlighter as well, just to get that very natural, soft look. I'm also taking that blush and then just running it through my tip of my nose just a little bit. I always like doing that, I don't know why. So I'm grabbing a smaller beauty blender, and that same highlighter that I used on my face, I'm just picking it up with my beauty blender and applying it all over my lid. And I'm not going too crazy with the eyes. I just want this natural, glowy, wet look. I'm just grabbing the bronzer that I used on my neck and just applying that with a fluffy brush on my crease, just to give it a little bit of dimension. I'm not going too intense with this. Just applying some mascara, no falsies, just putting a couple coats on. Onto lips, we're gonna do red lips today. You can definitely do just gloss and leave it the way it is, but I wanted like a pop of color, so I'm going with red lips today. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Mary Jo K, I believe, lip liner, and just lining my lips. I'm using 2 shades of lipsticks. I want a soft ombre lip, so I'm using the Mary Jo K liquid lipstick and applying that on the outer corner of my lips. And then I'm grabbing Anastasia Beverly Hills in color Strawberry and placing that in the center of my lips. With the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer, it has a really nice applicator, so it really will help if you're trying to clean up anything, your eyebrows, around your lips. So I'm just using that to clean up around my lips. And then for the final time, I'm grabbing, actually maybe this is not my final time, I lied. But I'm grabbing again the setting spray and applying that all over my face and my neckline. Now to finish off the look and just look extra glowy and healthy, I am grabbing the same illuminator that I used at the beginning and just applying that on my neckline, on my shoulders, basically the same way that I did it on my face with the Beauty Blender. And then I'm just going to grab the Sleek Makeup Highlighter and apply that on top of the areas where I placed the illuminator. And that's it, you guys. This is the final look. Dewy, glowy, natural, super easy makeup look. And you could definitely do this with a full glam eyeshadow look if you would like to, but I decided to keep it simple today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!